ladies and gents, boys and girls. Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Cocktails. And my name's Tom Dyer, and today I'm making for you a screaming orgasm with coffee.
Tom Dyer!
Yes, today I'm making a screaming orgasm with coffee using this wonderful contraption. If you follow me on Instagram or social media, go check me out, Tom Dyer Bartender. You would have seen, I've posted a few posts and videos about this already. This is the Pro Flair Espresso Maker. It's designed for home use, okay? So it's not for high volume bars or anything like that. It's completely 100% manual. There's no wires. Ooh, no wires. It's not wireless. I'm going to show you how to use it today. Now, they have sent me this one. You can't actually buy it yet, but you can go and support the Kickstarter campaign. There's a link in the description below if you want to get your hands on one. Finishes Thursday, May the 7th. I'm planning to get the video out on that day. If not, still go and follow the link and you can go and grab yourself one of these from somewhere. They'll be out very, very soon. Anyway. I'm going to make for you a screaming orgasm as well, using the coffee, a nice little way to present that. I'm going to talk you through this machine and how it works. First things is the machine itself, very strong, very durable, very portable. Comes with a lovely carry case as well, so you can carry it around, and it's upgradable as well. So all the components that you've got, you can upgrade, change them, and add to it and get more accessories. If you are coffee mad, a bit like myself, then you're probably going to do that. Ooh. I've already whipped up or ground up my coffee. You would need a grinder to make the correct grind of your coffee. And I'll put a link below of the grinder that I use. But this is already ground up, ready to rock and roll. And what we're gonna start with is this. Now, I don't know all the names, technical names of the pieces. I've just been using it, loving it, though I haven't even read the instruction manual. So what we've got here, we've got the red piece and we've got the funnel. So this is gonna help put the coffee into the filter, basically, into the portafilter would be. So you're gonna put in a decent amount that you need to get in there. Now, essentially you wanna have more into this funnel than you think you'd need, because it does pack down quite nicely. And then from that point, you get your tamper, or pretty sure it's called a tamper. You wanna level it out. Then you're just gonna push down on your coffee. Okay, you wanna just pack that in there a little bit, and you wanna push down until the coffee pushes back. So as you push, you feel the tamper come up again a little bit. Just enough to get it nice and level, nice and flat, and ready to roll. And at that point, you are almost ready to go. So that pops in there like this. And then this is basically what the water's gonna go in. So that's gonna go over the top. You push that down, it's nice and snug. And then you got this part here, which again is another filter, and that just drops in there and sits nice and snug inside. I've got some almost boiling water here. You don't want to put boiling water in there, that will burn your coffee. And you want to fill it up. There's a thin line in this little contraption, which you want to fill it up to. And then you get this lovely device, and that just sits in on top of the water. Now this is where the magic happens. I'm gonna put my shot glass underneath here because you wanna grab the magic. So now you're gonna push down until you get a couple of drops come through. When the drops are come through, that means the water's going through the coffee and you're brewing. So at that point, you wanna just wait for 10, 15, 20 seconds to let the water brew with the coffee and create a really nice coffee. And then when you feel ready, you push down the rest and you push the water through the coffee and you get an espresso style coffee, basically. So you're gonna start to push down. It's fairly easy to begin with. There we go, there's the droplets. So now my coffee is brewing nicely. Just move it over a smidgen. And then when you feel ready, you can then just start pushing down and the coffee will start to flow. Oof, yes. And there we go. We've got our espresso style coffee ready to rock and roll. Now, some people may be saying, well, this is a long process to make a coffee, but what you're losing in a little bit of time, you're making up in taste of coffee. You're making up in the fact that you have created this coffee. And for me, it's become like a morning routine. It's a great little routine for me to make my coffee in the morning because I feel like I've actually crafted it myself. Well, I have crafted it myself. You get to play with all the factors of your coffee, with the amount of coffee, with the pressure that you push down, with the temperature of the water, with the beans itself. So there's a lot of different things you can do to get very, very different types and tastes of flavors within your coffee. Now, if you're using capsule-based a coffee maker, you can't do that at all. Put it in, press the button, push it out, and you got your coffee, which some people like, and that's fine, totally up to you. But you're also adding to landfill, you know, it's most of them are non-recyclable, although you can get reusable capsules. I know here, there's no waste except for the coffee grounds, which if you go a little Google online and have a look around, there's many things you can do with coffee grinds, including rub it on your skin for better skin, apparently. We're gonna make our screaming orgasm. So let's start off by getting a whole bunch of ice in here. Now, screaming orgasm is normally shaken, and you can shake it, that's not a problem. But the kind of screaming orgasm I'm making today is slightly different. I want to almost layer the ingredient. Screaming orgasms normally with vodka. Today I'm using Kraken dark spice rum because it is delicious. And you just want half a shot of each ingredient in there. This is Tia Maria, which is not exactly a coffee liqueur, but it has coffee notes to it. We've got amaretto. And we've got Irish cream. Oh yeah. We're gonna top this up with milk. Just wanna gently layer that over the ice. And then what we wanna do, we're gonna pour this coffee over the top for a hopefully lovely effect of the coffee mixing together with all the ingredients inside. Okay, let's tuck a straw in the side there. And we're gonna garnish on top with a lovely piece of extremely dark chocolate. That is your screaming orgasm with a twist, with coffee, made by the Pro Flair espresso maker, which if you're thinking about getting one, go and get one. They are fantastic. Thank you very much for watching. I know this is kind of a different video, but for those who know me know I love my coffee, and I wanted to try and mix the two together, show you how this works, show you how easy it was to use it, and obviously make for you a cocktail to go with it as well. So don't forget to hit that like button. If you do, Jeff the Wavy Cat will be your friend forever. Hit subscribe, turn on those notifications, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Cool. Thank you very much for watching until the end. Until next time, see you then.